Hi there. Okay, for today's activity, we are going to write the definition of a drama. So remember I said that whenever we write the definition of something we're learning, it's so we can go back and review if we forget. So let's go ahead and write drama slash play, because I've taught you that they mean the same thing. You can underline it too if you want. Go ahead and write that, and while I write that, I'm going to do today's date, 1/11/21. And I'm not going to write the title right here because it says drama and play right here. Plus, I just want you to focus on the definition, okay? Drama slash play. Drama slash play is stories that can be read or acted out. Okay? Okay, so one more time. Today's date, 1/11/21. The definition that I want us to focus on today is drama slash play, is stories that can be read or acted out. So remember, it's important to have this, to write this down in your journal, so if you ever forget what a drama is, you can go ahead and go back and read this, okay? And if you have time, go ahead and do a little picture right here, all right? So, for example, you can draw a little stage if you want. That's just a little example of a stage. If you need more time, just go ahead and pause the video to get the definition. Okay.